Hey guys, so today we're going to change up the format a little bit. We're going to talk about transparent wigs because they seem to be very popular. So I have had an opportunity to play with a few, and I feel like this video just might be the one where I'll go in depth with my experience. And also it is brought to you by WeQueen hair. So they have this nice little box here. It feels like suede, really bougie and expensive, but I like how they did their packaging. I'm gonna open up so you guys can see. The hair is right here, right? They did send a wig cap. It's very light, but that's okay. I always find a use for them. And they did also send care instructions, and now the box is empty. So they kept it very simple, and I'm thankful for that. Lately I've been very thankful for wig companies that do not put so much in there. I feel like with a company like My First Wig, it makes sense because it's your first wig technically, so they should put extra stuff in there like a care package, but not everybody, no. So basically this is transparent Swiss lace, and what they do with the transparent lace is instead of putting like 3 or 4 knots in one area, they put 1 or 2 knots. So it's very spaced out, very thin. The hair is done in a way that makes it look more natural, so there's no need to bleach the knots. These are not bleached knots. I was actually shocked when they said we don't bleach the knots because we only knot the thing once. I'm checking to make sure they're not bleached. They are not. Look, that's a bonus, because if the knots are bleached, then your hair is gonna be, you know, more prone to damage, obviously, because you've bleached the knots. So I figured I'll just go a little bit more in depth with you guys about transparent lace and talk to you about it a little bit more than I usually would anything else. So what you do have are the tinier knots in the front to give you that nice little illusion hairline, and the lace is softer and lighter than most lace. This isn't fully transparent. It's more like translucent to me. It's very faint. So I don't know why the trend is transparent lace. I would love translucent a little bit more. You know, that would be a more appropriate term. Not knocking the company because everybody's saying it, but I'm just saying, you know, I am going to grab you. But what I'm gonna do now is I'm just gonna show you guys the wig. On the underside, you can see it's a standard edition lace front wig with very deep parting in the front. About 6 inches is what it looks like. When you go around, you do have your combs and your adjustable straps in the back. Flip it over and you have a really good looking hairline going on here. So what I'm gonna do is go ahead and wash the hair. I am just going to use a very small amount, okay, for all of the hair. I want it to dry as naturally as possible. I don't want to do too much manipulation. So I'm gonna cut most of the lace, and I'll cut the rest of it when the wig is on my head so you can see the difference better on my actual complexion. I'm trying to make it mold so that it'll be easier to put on without using a lot of product. And that's all for tonight, you guys. This is what the hair is looking like. So we'll see what it looks like tomorrow or the day after, whenever I decide to wear this wig. I've allowed my wig to dry overnight, and I'm just going to apply it. No elastic bands. So basically you can see my lace right here that I left in the front. So I'm gonna cut this lace and then go ahead and style. So we're dealing with 12-inch hair at 150% density. So I'm gonna put a part here. A little bit of curly magic to make it sit. Okay, so I do have my curls and they're cute. I actually put a headband on so I could keep that lift up here because I'm gonna use a wand curler. Haven't used one of these in a long time. This one is by Irresistible Me and it's a sapphire curling wand. And I'm just going to curl a few curls into my hair so I can have some volume and it can look good. It curls so beautifully. Remove some and curl some, and that's all that I'm doing. This could go either way, honestly. It could be a hit or it could be a miss. I'll wrap it around, count to 3, 1, 2, 3. Boom. Okay. Just a little bit of pressed powder, a little bit here too. I have my wild curl situation going on, but I do have hair that's a bit thinner at the bottom, so I'm gonna trim it. Trimming it so that it can be even. All right, you guys, here is this cutesy, curly, voluminous bob. I love it. Let's turn around. It's really cute. Make sure, like, if you're gonna do, especially with curls, one thing I've realized, it's nice to show your face. So I pull my hair back like right here in the middle of my forehead and then let it bang out more to the side than, you know, in front here. That way I can show my face, but I still have a bang. Also, doing the wand curls like this makes it more voluminous because you have that hair in the middle that isn't going in the same direction as the wand curls. Usually when you curl with wand curls, you're gonna go in the exact same direction. So it'll end up making your hair flatter because all of the curls are just gonna join together as one big family. But if you have some hairs in the middle that are not part of the wand curls, they kind of confuse the direction of the curl and they make more volume. So you'll have those filler hairs in between creating volume, and it's never gonna go flat. It's gonna stay the same because the other curl doesn't know where to go. It's not gonna link up and curl with your natural water wave curl pattern. So yeah, but this is what we are looking like. Alright guys, that's all there is for this video. Definitely, if you have any questions, ask. Otherwise, check out the description box for more information about WeQueen hair and what I used in the tutorial. I am so excited because I'm going to be doing some natural hair videos very soon. So definitely stay tuned next week. I promise. I have so much lined up for you guys.